How to import a CSV file to Excel. Here on the desktop, I have already prepared a test CSV file. As you can see, by right-clicking on the file, we verify that the file type is actually a CSV looking here. So I press a new Excel sheet point here at the top, we click Sudati and then on this icon from text/CSV. Now, let's look on our computer for the file that we need to upload. In this case, as shown above, I have it on the desktop. I select it and click on Import. Once done, this pop-up will open on Excel that will show how the file will be transferred. Here at the top, we find the source of the file, we can decide the destination and select the data type detection. To confirm everything, click on Upload. Here is our table with the values extracted from the CSV file,